I'm going to show you how to unclog your ortho spray or comfort one so you can get back to spraying. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to check to make sure that the magic wand is open. Go to the tip. If you were spraying and your spray stopped working, this won't apply to you. Make sure you look at the tip, and if it's off, turn it on. Number 2, if you were spraying, make sure that you get the kinks out. It could look just like this. Go ahead and stretch it out with your fingers. Number 4. Oh, what happened here? If you have the flip up nozzle, make sure it doesn't flip down and it's not kinked in here. For the last one, if you have a new bottle, if you have this type of top, make sure it's turned on. Number 5. This will definitely fix your spray. Make sure that you like and subscribe to support the channel. Now the key here is to make sure that you get your magic wand and you drop it below the bottle, and then what you do is you let gravity do the work. Once it's spraying, you can lower the bottle. Now here's another example with me using a different bottle. Notice that it's on the ground, and then I lift it up and then the liquid comes out. Once it starts spraying, please push that like or push subscribe to support. Another thing you want to look at if you're spraying and it's not coming out, you want to look right here in the connection. You want to go ahead and flip it, and then very carefully make sure that you point down and you spray. If it starts, that means you had a knot in there, so you want to go ahead and pull that out. Another thing that happens is right on the lid. You want to make sure that this is, obviously it's on, but you want to go ahead and pull the lid out and make sure that you have your hose connected right in there. If the hose falls out, then you're not going to be able to get the product. I appreciate you watching. Go ahead and click like and subscribe if you find any value. Thanks a lot, guys.